Hello, my dear viewers. The topic is file management system versus database management systems. Every computational devices having the operating system. These operating system perform lot of functionalities. One of the functionality is file management systems, which provide lot of services to the user and software engineer for reading a file and writing a file and organizing file on a hard disk efficiently. The most popular file management tools are NTFS, that is new technology file systems, and FAT, file allocation tables, and AP file system, that is Apple file system, and EST. And these NTPS and FAT are popular in Windows operating systems, and APFS popular in Mac, and EST is popular in Linux. So every operating system which is built exactly one file management system tools. Generally, the collection of information is stored in file management system in comma separated files. Here the data are separated by comma. That's why it is called comma separated file. The example of comma separated files are notepad or mxware, anything. Assumes the users enter the informations in comma separated file and click save as buttons, then this file is submitted to the file management systems via graphical user interface. This graphical user interface is also one of the functionality of the operating systems. Then the file management systems take care about further actions. In client server architectures, suppose this is the client and this is the server. The client want to access the particular file which is located in server side. Then client give the request to the file management system of the operating system. Then file management system fetch the file on a hard disk and is given into its microprocessor. Then microprocessor processing based on the logic and give the result into the client. This logic is implemented in server side programming language. It may be a C or Java or Python or .NET or anything. So, software engineer play important role for client server architecture for storing and retrieving the data efficiently via program. Then question is a database management system also handle the files efficiently. Here handle means how to create, how to read, how to write, how to organize the files. This database management system, this database management system which is installed on top of the operating system. So see, these operating systems on every and DBMS is installed in top of the operating system. But the question is, DBMS is also used for handling the file efficiently. So some of the important DBMS tools are DB2, Oracle, MySQL, Server, and MongoDB, and so on. But the important question is why we need separate package in DBMS, because file management system already handle the files efficiently. Then why we need another package? So DBMS provide additional features to the user and software engineer for handling the file efficiently. Let me see the features one by one. And one more thing, file management, database management system is not work independently. The user and software engineer files submitted into database management system, and database management system give the control to the file management system, and file management system store your file on a hard disk. So DBMS handle the file through file management systems. So in left hand side I'm using only using file management system, and the right hand side I'm using file management system and database management systems. Assumes we are having the one product tables. Assumes we have one product table. That product tables having the product id, product name, and so on. The task is I want to access the particular I want to access the id for a particular brand name. So what are the procedures are followed in if I am using only a file management systems? So in file management system, we are using the program for performing this task. In DBMS, we are using SQL to performing this task. So here, first of all, I'm open the file and read the file, and logic will be ordered here and close the file. So these steps are implemented in C program or any programming languages. And right hand side, we are using only simple query like select id from table name like product where brand name is equal to ABC. So my dear viewers, tell me about which one is very simple. Yes, of course, DBMS is very simple, and also is not data independence. This is one of the beautiful feature of the database management systems. And another feature is concurrency. Let me see the concurrency. In in real time, in real time, the files multiple client like client 1, client 2, client 3 want to access the file which is located in the server simultaneously. If client accessing or processing the files at the same time, client 2 and client 3 is not permitted to accessing the file simultaneously in file management system. But database management system, multiple client like client 1, client 2, client 3 access the file simultaneously with the help of the concurrency control protocol. What is meant by the concurrency control protocol? We will see clearly in transactions and concurrency control topic. Now we will understand in abstractions way. So lot of features are provided in DBMS. That's why nowadays we are using DBMS along with file management systems. We will see additional features and conclusion. That means when to use file management systems and when to use file management system along with the database management systems. Thank you so much.